Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Cool. If you guys have seen part 1 to this video, then you've seen part 1, but if you haven't, basically I'm doing a review on All Love hair. This is a 24-inch body wave 4x4 medium brown lace closure wig, and I have installed it. I've literally done nothing to it apart from plucking in a part, and it's gone pretty good. But if it looks a bit it's because I haven't styled it. I've been waiting for this video to style it. So yeah, I'm going to be styling this wig in this video and showing you guys how I make my 4x4 closure wigs look as natural as possible, basically. So the first thing I do is I pluck. Usually I pluck on the mannequin head, but some people don't like to do that, so I just go in with these they're slanted sharp tweezers, and I just pluck the hairline, the front of it, to remove some of the hairs because it is a bit dense. So the first product I go in and use is my Keracare wax. This wax, oh my god, I've only just got it recently for the first time, and I honestly don't know why I've never had this. Like, this wax is lit. So what I do first, if you want to get that kind of like swoop back, then that kind of effect, I was trying to learn how to do that for ages, and I've only just learned. So you get your wax stick and you do it back, and then you also do it hair on the top and hair also, and then you get your hot comb and you do it backwards first. So I'm going to be facing the mirror doing this because I don't want to burn my head. You don't want to do that. And then just hot comb it down to make it flat. And then that's how you get this kind of ripple effect. I've been wondering how to do it for ages. I don't know if I'm just dumb, but I've never known how to do it, but now I do. I'm going to go in with my Got To Be Too Sexy spray. This I use for styling my hair. So like Got To Be, the free spray, I use it to stick my wig on. And then this I use to style it because I can't use the free spray to style it because it makes the hair rock solid, and I don't really like that. So what I do to make this not fall into pieces, you know what I mean, I spray it, and then I get the hot comb, but it's off right now so it's not really on full heat, and then I just slide it across. And that helps the hair to be shiny and also stay in place. So the next product I go in with is my Vera 5 Mega Hot Mousse. So especially if I'm having like waves, which I have right now, and I want to like revive them, but I don't want to apply heat on them again, I just apply some to my hand and then to my to the hair, and then I just scrunch upwards. Whoops. And then that's just a quick way of reviving your curls. How much more defined the curls look. Cute. And then I also to make the lace blend a bit more in with my colour. I know it is a medium brown and I'm light skinned, so it's not really suited to my skin tone. I go in with my e.l.f. Sheer Tint finishing powder. I use this for my face, but I also use it for this, and I just tap the lace lightly just to add like some, like, do you know what I mean? And this helps if like your lace is lighter than you as well. You can just tap some on there and it just makes it disappear. So the last thing I do is I go in with my Got2b Oil-licious. It smells so good, and I go in with like 2 pumps and just run my fingers through the ends of the hair just to give it some more shine and make it a bit more sleek. And this smells so good. So this is a finished look. This is how I apply my closure wigs and try and make them look a bit more natural. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and also follow me on Instagram. If you guys are interested in this hair, it is again from All Love. The link will be down below in the description if you guys want to purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and stay tuned because I'm going to be posting some more cool videos and business hacks as well. So if you guys want to see those, then subscribe.